Hello, my friends, it's Manju, and today, I'm going to share my recipe for the best fruit salad with you. What makes this fruit salad so delicious is the balance of flavors and texture, so I'm very excited to share it with you. Now, a few tips to keep in mind when making fruit salad are: number 1, you want to work with fruit that's in season and nice and ripe. You want it at its peak without becoming mushy and losing its integrity. And number 2, while the recipe for fruit salad is fairly straightforward, what I want to focus on in this video are some of the techniques I use for cutting the fruit. To begin, I have a nice big bowl and I'm starting with 4 cups of chopped up cantaloupe. The easiest way to cut a cantaloupe is to trim off the top and bottom, then lay it flat side down and slice down in half lengthwise. Scoop out the seeds, and if the cantaloupe is ripe they will scoot out. I prefer to cut each half in half, then each quarter into quarters. I cut it in half again until I have 8 wedges, then slice them with a paring knife. I'm going to peel off the skin and chop it into bite-sized pieces, then I'm going to add in 2 things. I'm going to start with 2 cups of chopped up mango, which is around 2 mangoes. I'm going to use a potato peeler to peel off the bottom of the mango. I'm going to stand it up flat side after removing the skin that comes off easily. You can't see it, but there's a big long pit in the center of the mango that runs right through it, so you'll have to guesstimate. Grab your knife as close to the center as you can, a little off center, and slice straight down. Rotate and get the other side of the mango. I like to call these the mango cheeks, and then I just clip off any extra mango on each side of the pit, and if there's any extra mango meat around the pit, slice it off and keep it as a chef's snack. Once I've removed all of the mango meat from the mango, I'm just going to cut it into slices. Next, we have 2 cups of red grapes, which I simply slice in half. The red grapes add a great pop and texture to the fruit salad. Next, we have 2 cups of chopped up strawberries, which I simply slice off the green top, then lay flat and slice in half thin quarters and across again. Come out with ease. This is how you can tell if your pineapple is ripe. Will smell super sweet. So those are the 2 giveaways. Now my absolute favorite way to cut a pineapple is to trim off the top and the bottom. Stand it up, slice it in half lengthwise, and then you're gonna see that there's a core that runs right down the center, and this core can be a little tough and a little bit fibrous. So what I do is I take a knife and I come down in and add an angle on each side of that core, and it's gonna pop right out. Sometimes if the core isn't particularly tough, I'll save it for myself and the kids as a snack.